Welcome to another mixture problem in Chapter 7. 小何, that's a Chinese name, wants to make 6-gallon beverage that has 80% juice. She has 100% kiwi and 20% green apple juice. Let's write down 100% kiwi and 20% apple. We want to finally have 80% juice that has 6 gallons. All right, how many gallons does she need of each kind to make a mixture? Let 100% be A, 20% be B. We know if we put them together, we're gonna have 6 gallons. So that's our first equation. Let's look at our second equation. We're gonna say 100% of kiwi is how many gallons? So 100% of A. 20% of green apple, of is multiplication. When we put it together, we create a new juice that is 80% of 6 gallons. All right, so that's our equation B. Now we're going to clean up this equation B. 100% is 1. 1 times A, that is A. 20% is 0.2, so that is, okay, I want to be consistent. That is use blue, and that is, okay, and we're going to put it together. 80% is 0.8. 0.8 times 6, that gives us 4.8. All right, that's our good-looking equation B. In the previous videos, we used a method called elimination. And today, we're going to try substitution. All right. So look at equation A. You're going to ask yourself, which one do I want to solve first? If I want to solve for A first, I'm going to say B is 6 minus A. If I want to solve for B first, I'm going to say A is 6 minus B. So you're going to make a decision which one you want to solve first. Okay? Let's use B is 6 minus A. B is 6 minus A, which means I'm going to come back to this one. When I say B, I'm going to say B becomes 6 minus A. I'm going to rewrite A plus 0.2 times 6 minus A equals 4.8. And you can use distributive property. And then you're going to combine like terms. To save the time and space, I'm going to write down what A is, okay? And A is 4.5. Once you find A is 4.5, go ahead and look at this information. The total amount is 6 gallons. 1 is 4.5, which means B is 6 minus 4.5. B is 1.5 gallons. Let's put units here. So for 20% juice, we're going to use 1.5 gallons. For 100% juice, we're going to use 4.5 gallons. Then we'll be able to have a mixture that is 6 gallon, 80% juice. Happy learning!